There was a new wave of enthusiasm in the colony because the Republic Day was approaching. Gattu, Chinky and their friends were planning the Republic Day celebrations.
There's only 1 week left until Republic Day. Has anyone thought about how we are going to celebrate this year? First of all, we'll hoist the national flag and also sing national anthem. Yes, we'll definitely do that. But along with that, let's do something new as well. New? Like what? Like a patriotic play. A play that is full of patriotism and stories about our national heroes. That's a great idea, Chinky. What do you say, friends?
Everyone liked Chinky's idea very much. Now all that was needed was a script, and Chinky and Pinky took on this responsibility. Gattu was going to direct the play, and Bunty and Monty's job was to arrange the costumes and props. Chinky started working on the script with great effort, and Mummy was helping her in that.
Look, Chinky, you have to keep 2 things in mind in the script. First, the leaders from the 1940s who were fighting for India's independence, like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and second, those who worked on creating the constitution after independence, like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Why is the constitution so important, Mummy? Think of it in this way. Can anything function without a rule book? Even in school there are rules. The roles and responsibilities of teachers and students are decided beforehand. Only by following those rules can a good school be built. Similarly, the constitution contains the rules for running the country. Only by following them we can build a good country. That's why the constitution is so important. Do you understand? We understood, Mummy.
The next evening, all the children meet in the colony park. Bingo was excitedly running around with them. Chinky read the script aloud to everyone, and Gattu started explaining their roles to everyone.
Bunty will be Mahatma Gandhi and Hari will play the role of B.R. Ambedkar, and me, you will be the British Prime Minister Winston Churchill. Did you give me this role because of my English? No, we thought that with your mischievous nature, you will beautifully play the role of English villain. And Gattu, what are you going to be? Gattu will be Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And Chinky will be Captain Lakshmi Sehgal of my INA. So let's start the rehearsal now.
And in this way, all the children started practicing for the Republic Day patriotic play. Gattu used to practice his role even in the school. Once, a student who was sitting next to him in the class asked him,
Gattu, can you lend me your pencil? No, but you give me blood and I will give you freedom.
Hearing this, all the children burst into laughter. On one hand, Gattu was always in practice mode, while on the other hand, Monty couldn't remember his lines. He would always forget his lines during the evening practice session.
You Indians are not fit to play cricket. Hey, it's not cricket, Monty. It's rule a country. Oh man, I keep missing this line again and again.
Besides Monty's forgetfulness, there were many other difficulties during the practice. And even Bingo was behind one of the pranks.
Hey, where did my glasses go? The Gandhiji's look won't be complete without the glasses. They were just here. Where did they go?
Just then Chinky notices Bingo, who was running around with Gandhiji's glasses in his mouth.
Bingo! Bingo, stop! It seems Bingo also wants to be a part of our play.
Hearing Chinky's voice, Bingo stops. And Chinky takes the glasses from him and gives them to Bunty.
Why don't we make Bingo our prop manager?
That's a good idea.
Yes, Bingo will bring the props to our actors. Right, Bingo?
Gattu Chinky made Bingo the prop manager. And now, during rehearsals, Bingo would bring all the actors their props.
We will always walk on the path of truth and justice. Thank you, Bingo. Our slogan will be Delhi Chalo. We will only rest after defeating the British. Captain Lakshmi, will you defeat the Britishers without a gun? Oh, where did my gun go? Thank you, Bingo. Well done, Bingo. He has also become a part of our Indian National Army.
In this way, all the children practiced the patriotic play with great enthusiasm. And before they knew it, Republic Day arrived. On January 26th, there was a wonderful atmosphere in the colony since morning. Everyone's faces were beaming with patriotism, and very soon, all the people of the colony gathered in the park to hoist the flag. Friends, today is the day of pride for the entire country. And on this occasion, we have with us retired Colonel Bakshi to host the tricolour flag. Colonel Bakshi had recently retired from the military and moved to Gattu and Chinky's colony a few days ago. Everyone clapped to welcome Colonel Bakshi, and then he hoisted the tricolour flag. The tricolour flag fluttering in the wind along with the singing of Jana Gana Mana filled the entire atmosphere with patriotism. After the national anthem ended, Secretary Uncle announced, "To make the Republic Day celebration special, Gattu, Chinky and their friends have prepared a patriotic play. Now let's all go to the clubhouse to watch that play." In no time, the clubhouse hall was filled with spectators. Gattu, Chinky, Hari, Monty and Bunty came onto the stage in full costume. Pinky was doing the narration.
And now, a glimpse of the great personalities because of whom we are celebrating this Republic Day today.
The play began, and Bunty, in the role of Mahatma Gandhi, was seen doing the march on the stage. Several children were following behind him, and in their hands, they were holding placards that read, "Quit India."
India now needs complete independence. British, quit India.
The stage became empty, and then Monty came on as British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, wearing an English coat and reading a newspaper.
Quit India? What nonsense. If we leave India, who will run the government here? Indians are not fit to rule themselves.
Monty's style of delivering the dialogue was quite impressive. From behind the stage, Chinky said, laughing,
Monty's practice paid off today. I thought he might say again, Indians are not fit to play cricket. Hey Gattu, Chinky, now it's your turn.
Gattu and Chinky come on the stage and give a passionate speech about patriotism and sacrifice. Their performance receives the loudest applause.
You give me blood, I will give you freedom. Let's go to Delhi. Freedom is not far away. With the hard work and sacrifice of all these people, India finally became independent. But the great nation we wanted to build needed a constitution. And this task was accomplished by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
And then Hari appears, looking like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Everyone feels a sense of pride in their hearts seeing the creation of the Constitution of India.
This constitution will be the soul of independent India, which we will implement from January 26, 1950. And we will remember this day every year by celebrating Republic Day.
Gattu, Chinky and all the children come back onto the stage holding their respective